Good evening, friends. I have some very important news to share with all of you in today's video. The Internal Revenue Service has just sent out a warning to all Americans that are expecting to receive a fourth stimulus check this year. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer also has a big update for Americans on President Biden's Build Back Better bill. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video for the latest stimulus news. And do share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. If you're interested in entering this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, please make sure that you listen for the keyword from this video. So over the last 2 years, millions of individuals in the U.S. were provided financial aid from the government in the form of 3 separate stimulus checks. If you received the full amount for each payment, it came to about $3,200 in stimulus relief. The last check started arriving in households last year, so it's likely that most Americans have already used up all of these relief funds. But the big news, friends, that it turns out not everyone was supposed to keep the money that they received from the Internal Revenue Service. According to the tax agency, there are a few stipulations that might require you to return your third stimulus check. There were many qualifications you needed to meet to legally receive the third stimulus payment. While you weren't necessarily required to be a U.S. citizen to receive the check, you did have to be considered a tax-based qualifying resident alien in 2021 and not claimed as a dependent of another taxpayer for eligibility. According to the Internal Revenue Service, people in the U.S. who were considered to be non-resident aliens were not eligible for a $1,400 third stimulus check. So the IRS is now saying that if you receive a third stimulus check incorrectly, you will need to pay it back. The IRS could have also potentially mailed third stimulus payments to people who were not eligible. There is one instance that might make you able to keep some of that money. The Internal Revenue Service says that if a payment was made to joint filers and one spouse is still living, that person may ask to be sent a new check for their eligible portion. The third stimulus check was issued to most Americans last year as an advance payment of a 2021 tax credit. According to CNN News, this means that because the IRS did not have access to your 2021 tax information yet when sending this payment, they likely relied on your 2019 or 2020 tax return to determine if you were eligible. As a result, taxpayers might realize that they don't actually qualify for all of the money that they received for the third economic impact payment when filing their 2021 return. Fortunately, the IRS says that you do not have to pay back money from your third stimulus check, even if you received too much. In an official statement, the IRS stated, if you qualified for a third payment based on your 2019 or 2020 tax return, the law does not require you to pay back all or part of the payment that you received based on the information reported on your 2021 tax return. Friends, the keyword for this video is Spain. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, please, friends, make sure that you click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friend. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer has just announced that he supports bipartisan talks on a bill aimed at lowering insulin costs for patients and that the measure could soon get a vote on the Senate floor. Senate Republican Susan Collins and Senate Democrat Jeanne Shaheen are leading the talks. Democrats had previously touted a bill from Senate Democrat Raphael Warnock to cap patients' out-of-pocket insulin costs at $35 per month. Collins and Shaheen had their own bill aimed at insulin costs that they introduced in 2019, and they are currently working on updating that measure for reintroduction. Today, Chuck Schumer gave his support to that bipartisan effort, saying that it could be combined with Warnock's measure. Chuck Schumer told reporters, "There is now a bipartisan effort underway, led by Senator Collins and Senator Shaheen, to pair the $35 cap sponsored by Senator Warnock with additional policies to drive down the list price in a more comprehensive way, including having the uninsured protected." Senate GOP aides had said that the Warnock bill, as it currently stands, was seen as partisan and was not expected to gain much Republican support. However, friends, giving time for the talks with Senate Republican Susan Collins to continue could improve the chances of getting some Republican support. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this evening. Thank you very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. To say thank you, I give away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards every Friday. Remember, to enter the giveaway, you simply have to click and like my videos. Comment below the keyword from each video that you watch. And please do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you very, very much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.
Because we're talking about and thanking New York for the contribution you all make and the leadership that you send to the Congress. The chair of our House Democratic Caucus, Hakeem Jeffries, a great leader in the Congress of the United States. Thank you for sending her there. As was mentioned, Nydia Velasquez, not only the chair of the Small Business Committee, which would be reason enough to celebrate her leadership in the Congress, but very high up in the Financial Services Committee, where she works for consumers as well as small businesses on that committee as well. And as Yvette Clark mentioned, she's on the Energy and Commerce Committee. This piece that she emphasized about broadband is very, very important, because when we're talking about workforce development and so many other aspects of America's working families, that has made a tremendous difference. She was very important in the whole bill, but especially that part that came under her committee. I associate myself with the remarks that they've all made because they've gone to the point, but I just want to make a point about these New York representatives, all of them here. New York in this bill gets $11.6 billion, $11.6 billion to repair highways, $9.8 billion to improve public transit, $1.9 billion to fix and replace bridges, and